I don't know why, but I always feel like if I don't have braids in my updos, they don't look right. They don't look polished enough. I don't know what I am actually doing with my hair today, but I know I am adding braids, at least on the two sides. So let's see how that turns out. I washed my hair 1 week ago and I've been styling it just like that. I'm taking a break after the 2 months mini braids protective style challenge before I do it all over again. Let's get into it. Like I said, I don't know where I am going to with this look. So you're probably going to see me fumble a lot, especially at the end. Just watch the video and I'll see you in the comment section for any questions.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of
As usual, the style has to sit under a scarf few minutes for it to be complete. I wasn't necessarily going for a mohawk look because I feel it doesn't really complement the shape of my head, but maybe I was wrong. What do you think? So tell me in the comment section, would you try this look out? Do you feel like you might be interested in doing this? I have other tutorials on this channel. One is probably popping on your screen right now or anytime from now. Feel free to go watch it if you want. That is all I have for you in this video. I hope you liked it, and like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. Take care. Bye.